So we have to discuss about how can we learn English, because this is the best for all subscribers, you know.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
can we learn and which thing we have to do to learn? So
Yes,
discuss
yes,
about these things.
absolutely.
Yes. Both
You
will
are the host,
speak.
and you know,
No, no, sir. Both
this is
will
my
speak.
responsibility to motivate you.
Yes.
Okay, this is my
Yes.
responsibility to motivate you, to assist you, to help you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
So,
don't feel shyness, don't feel hesitation here,
okay, sir.
and
I treat you like you are my
have the
teacher.
right, you have complete right to say your opinion
Yes.
as you.
So start. How can we learn English, and how can our subscriber can learn English? Like speak English, not learn English. How to start speaking initially when we don't know much things about English. So how can we start English? Which things we have to learn for start speaking?
Okay,
Yes.
I think since beginning,
Mm-hmm.
uh, everybody just to speak the native language in which environment he lives,
Yes.
he or she lives.
Mm.
So the which language is spoken by the people at their home, he just listen and then starting to speak.
Mm-hmm.
So as I think all of every as I take my example, or if I take the examples of everyone, just we listen Hindi or the mother tongue at home. So we just try to speak same mother tongue or the same language which is spoken in our home, at our
Yes.
home.
Yes.
So if we try to speak other language, so we have to take some help from other sources. Just we have to listen it first.
Okay.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
if we can take the example of a baby, the baby who has
Also catch the
just
language.
2 years old, who is just 2 years old, 3 years old. Yes,
Hmm.
he just can listen. He
Yes.
can't read, he can't write the words.
Even he can't
Mom,
understand. He
dad.
can't understand
Yes,
initially.
even he can't. He
Yes.
just yes, he
He
just
just
listen.
start
He just
listen.
listen.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
He
and then
every day
he
listen.
starts. Yes, he
Hmm.
starts imitating the words and
Hmm.
just starts speaking.
Yes.
As well, if you want to speak English or other language, first of all, we have to listen it
Listen
more.
more. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, listen more.
This is what I say
Reading
in my
and
video.
writing are yes, reading and writing are the secondary things.
Hmm.
So first of all, we have to listen, and that, for that listening program, we
Hmm.
have to create an environment of speaking English at our home also. You
Yes.
know,
Yes. Hmm.
how many family members are there at our home? We
Hmm.
have to adjust with them. We have to prepare them for speaking English. Even though we know that our family members are unable to speak English, but we have to motivate them, because this is our urging. This is
Hmm.
our necessity that we have to speak English. So for that we have to create the environment. This is our responsibility.
Hmm.
And for that we have to just give them some simple sentences. Just you have to talk with me, just basis depends on these sentences. If you speak these sentences, then I will also reply in English. If
Okay. Okay.
take an example, if we have our siblings.
Hmm.
So if our siblings just they know the mother tongue, but we provide them some sentences of English,
Yes. Yes.
some topics of English, just to discuss with them.
Mm-hmm.
Even though we know that they are unable to speak, they are
Mm-hmm.
unable to discuss on English,
Hmm.
in English on any topic, but they just can start.
Yes.
And after they start, we speak in English. Okay, we
Mm-hmm.
reply in English. Okay,
Yes.
because we want to improve our English
Our
first.
English. Yes.
So they are just only helping hand for us. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they are our family members. They are our helping hand,
Yes, they are our
and
helping
we
hands.
are just the main axis or main power. We are the main power because we want to speak English.
Yes.
So I think we have to create the environment at home. And if we visit with our friends home houses, or any
Mm-hmm.
function program, or any
Mm-hmm.
kind of party,
Mm-hmm.
if there are kids people who can understand English. So we also make a request with them. You please talk us in English.
Yes.
So we are inferior or we feel any kind of shyness. But if we don't speak with them, we get a chance to be superior or to be, an accurate person.
Yes.
So we should do to all these things or techniques.
Yes,
And
definitely.
Mansiji, I have another idea regarding this. We should also write some special sentences or specific
What?
sentences
Yes,
on
yes.
A4 size sheet or any chart, and we have to paste these posters or
On
these
our wall.
charts or these pages on the
On
wall
yeah,
where
wall.
we live.
Yes.
Just take an
Bedroom, kitchen, where you spend your time.
yes, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
There are so many pictures of God and
I do the same thing
in
when
our home,
I
on our
yes,
walls.
yes, yes. We watch every time.
Yeah. So yes, so we
Yes.
can paste these kind of
What I do,
charts and A4 size
sir,
sheets.
what I do,
These
like
kind of
whenever I have to read something, like learn something, then I start writing on my whiteboard, and uh, whatever I do at my home, then I look at my whiteboard and I read again and again. Then I remember that word forever. So this is also a best technique to learn any sentence or any word or anything, whatever you want to learn, then this is a right way. And what I do, like if I want to learn any kind of sentence, then I note down in my notebook, and I make so many sentences with that particular word or particular structure, then I'll never forget about that structure. So this is also a best technique to learn forever.
yeah. Yes. So by this technique, we can create an environment of speaking English.
Yes.
Not even for family members. They will also visit the room. They will also, see the walls, and they will
Yes.
also read these sentences.
Yes.
Or maybe, yes, maybe their heart, their soul, or their inner feeling
Mm-hmm.
just make them insist to learn. Make
Mm-hmm.
them insist to speak. And usually a female, ladies also spend their a lot of time in the kitchen,
Yes,
inside the
yes,
kitchen.
yes. I
And
also.
if they have such kind of, yeah, such kind of things, pasted on the walls in the kitchen, so
Mm-hmm.
usually they can read it
Mm-hmm.
while they cooking, cooking the food or,
Mm-hmm.
cooking the vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
So they can read also, and they can also make remember everything. So it's my advice to all the viewers and
Mm-hmm.
all the people or all the persons who are watching this video on the YouTube
Mm-hmm.
also adopt such kind of
Try
techniques
to
as
do,
we are discussing.
yes, use these type of things to
Yeah.
improve yourself, to improve your English also, because we also do the same thing to improve ourselves, because we all are learner, and there is no age limit to learn anything. We can learn so many things in at any age. So this is the best way to learn, because sometimes we learn so many words at a time and we forget easily, because we don't try to use them in our conversation.
Yes.
So
Manchita,
this is.
you have switched your camera.
Yes,
Manchita,
yes.
you have
No,
switched off your camera.
no, 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 no. You switched off your camera. You are not visible.
You are not.
I am visible, but
Your voice is also, just
you are not visible to
your voice
me.
is also breaking up.
Okay, so this is a network issue.
Your voice is also breaking up. You are invisible.
Oh, I don't know why. So we should cut the call right here. Let me check it's recorded or not. Okay. Then we will
Network issue from your
yes.
side.
Then we will reconnect again. Okay, sir. It was nice talking to you.